Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Messenger app crashing or not opening. First of all, restart your iPhone by holding the power plus volume button, slide to power off, then turn it back on after waiting for a few minutes or for a few seconds. Then just go ahead and update your Messenger app. Go to your app store, search for Messenger, and then make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. After that, go ahead and in your settings search for battery, and then make sure you have turned your low power mode option off. This will fix temporary glitches. After that, just delete your Messenger app and reinstall it. Safety tip: avoid using Messenger beta if you don't expect crashes. Quick fix: open Messenger light through Safari temporary, and that's it.